Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Now, this is a bit of a different setting than what you're used to on this channel, but we are still going to be covering the same sort of thing. So this is macOS, obviously. This is OS X Lion, and if I show you about this Mac, we can see that we're on a 3.44 GHz unknown CPU and 4 gigs of just unspecified DRAM, which is correct. So I actually have got this running in VMware, and I will put the link on how to do that at the bottom of the description as well. So without any further ado, let's have a look at the main event today. It is Mac Defender. Now, Mac Defender went by several names. As you can see here, we've got Mac Protector and Mac Security, and there is a Wikipedia article as well on this family of rogues. But the main event is here. It's this Mac Security program, so we're just going to go ahead and open it now. And it doesn't really look like it does anything at first, and for the sake of this video I hope it is going to do something, but I'm pretty sure it will run. We can check and see if it's working. So it is running still, which is good. Oh, there we go, look at that. Mac Security, world's leading security solution. Real ball knowers will know where that comes from. If you're an elite PC Place, PC Pal, or RogueAmp viewer, you will know where that comes from. So anyway, here it is. It's kind of ugly, but a lot of Mac apps at this time were kind of a bit weird. And we have the security status of your system, or the status of your system is unknown. And unfortunately, your computer is infected. Why is this such a courteous... Oh, okay. And then it says, to protect your information like credit card numbers, etc., it's highly recommended to clean up the. So, yeah, that is true. And we have 2 viruses detected. We have malware, which is apparently just in the bin folder. And we have a dialer found in activity monitor, but I can't click on that. So, okay. 2 viruses, pretty tame. It says that the last scan date is now. Also, I just noticed that says timing, and it's time spent 56 seconds. That's a very odd way to phrase what this is trying to say, but okay. So under the system info, we have this sort of pseudo activity monitor here, and we can we close activity monitor through here? Yeah, and that did just work. Obviously, the next question that needs to be asked, and no, it won't do it to itself. So it's telling us we have an unregistered license type, and what's very interesting is the spelling of this. So this is a non-US English spelling of the word license. So that's just kind of interesting. And you have an unregistered program with reduced functionality. And it says we have 4 gigs of RAM, which is correct. Now, under the settings, it has this scan on startup thing. I don't know whether that actually makes any difference. Probably not. And the scan type is quick, normal, or full. I don't know why there's normal. Why would you not just have quick and full? But that's alright. And it's going to do a background scan every 24 hours. Now this, I feel like this is where it gets good, because first of all, this is clearly a Dell laptop. I had one of these as a kid. This was my laptop that I had for a very long time. So I know that it's a Dell, and I know that it would not have macOS running on it. And then the other thing is that this is just a glorious blurb. So to the bottom first, and it says support, and it says our register users can get 24/7 support. So if you're an unregistered user like me, you cannot get that, because mail, phone, and ticket is unavailable, or are unavailable, but you can only click on this one. Now, I don't think this VM is connected to the internet, so... But anyway, we have Mac Security is the most advanced virus and malware detection system in the world, because it has the largest viruses database among all other antivirus systems. It can detect and remove from your computer almost all known dangerous software. It is possible because the Mac security specialists work all over the world, which means they work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Those are not great working conditions for the Mac security specialists. But anyway, it says, thus, Mac Security offers one of the best IT solutions in IT security market. Over 250 specialists work in more than 10 countries. Well, I thought it was around the world, or all over the world. I mean, I guess if you had countries that spanned the whole world. Anyway, whatever. The largest worldwide companies trust Mac Security, their nets and security. More than 1 million people use Mac Security antivirus to protect their critical information like credit card numbers, passwords, and so on. And I think we're going to leave it there for this, because it doesn't really do anything else. It just gets in the way. It's very annoying. And we're going to do a removal video right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Activity Monitor again, because it doesn't actually stop you doing that. And then we're going to go to inspect, and we're going to see what file this is running from, and it is just the desktop right now. So if we just force quit this process, it will be deleted. But of course, what you would do if this was a real infection where this was buried somewhere deep in the system is you would just go here, because this is the folder, and you would copy that, and then you would just go to Finder and go there. And I mean, we're already there, but that's how you would do it. Force quit, yes. Anyway, this is a terminated process now, so we can go ahead and move this to the trash and empty it. Yeah, there you go, and empty it from the trash. And with that, I thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next video.